Hey, what's going on in this box is a nice metal fender from a company called Kemimoto. Now you may remember Kemimoto from when I installed a rack on my friend's bike and we went and got a bunch of popcorn. If not, I'll link that video. But they sent me this nice metal fender to check out. So this is my first time really taking a look at it. Seems super sturdy, and it just makes sense to have a metal fender on a metal Super 73. As you probably know, the fenders are plastic, and you do have some other options out there. Like I know Flow Carbon makes a carbon fiber fender. Those can run a little bit pricey, but this Kemimoto fender, it's only $30. And I think they have a 5% off coupon going on right now too. So I'm gonna remove my batteries and get this thing installed. It's gonna be super easy. The nice thing about Kemimoto is that they send you all the tools that you need so you don't have to bust out your toolbox. Let me tell you a little bit more about Kemimoto. They're the ultimate destination for personalized motorcycle and Super 73 perfection. Kemimoto stands out in their aftermarket world by crafting innovative solutions meticulously designed and tested. They're passionate about the sports they serve. What started with 5 friends seeking solutions has grown into a premier designer, manufacturer, and distributor of top-notch UTV, ATV, Super 73, and motorcycle accessories. Experience the difference with Kemimoto, where passion meets precision and your ride reflects your unique style. Okay, so I got it mounted. As you can see, the bolt sticks through a little bit through this mounting plate, and then you can add a nut and a washer to just get extra security here, because if you don't, you know, these bolts could come loose. So you have a little lock washer and a nut there. You're not left with a ton to work with for these nuts and washers here. If you wanted to, you could probably leave the washer off. I don't know if you can see down inside there, but the nut isn't fully gripped on, but I don't think it's going to be a problem. This thing is super secure. Now, something that is pretty nice about this is you might be able to see it in there. There's a little foam pad that braces it against your bike. Not only does it protect it from scratching your bike, but it also doesn't rattle. The only area of concern, which I don't think is going to be a huge deal, is I don't have a ton of clearance right there. Now, because I've installed this belt drive, that makes this whole thing a little bit wider. So if you have a chain drive, which most bikes do, most Super 73s do, you won't have to worry about that. But I think there's enough clearance there for it to not be an issue. And here's a size comparison between the two. You can see that the Kemimoto one is a lot bigger. It covers a lot lower on the bike, which is nice. And of course it's metal, so it's going to be durable. But also with metal comes dings and dents and scratches, but it can't be worse off than the stock one. But that's held up pretty well for thousands of miles of riding, so not too bad. Now, I like replacing plastic parts, especially with affordable solutions like this mid fender from Kemimoto. Now, if there's only a solution for the wire guard and controller guard under the seat, just a suggestion. Now, you might be wondering how it works with the ChiBatterySystems Ranger. Well, I actually pulled the whole thing off. Not because anything is wrong with it, but because I got the Ranger 2.0. You'll have to see next video, because this one was about the Kemimoto mid fender. Thank you so much, Kemimoto, for sending that over. Check out the link in the description below so you can pick one up for your Super 73. Now, if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this fender. Is it something that you would add to your bike? And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. Have a great rest of your day.